Neke atu I te kotahi wiki ētahi rōpū āwhina no te arawa e tautoko ana I ngā whānau o tautahi. No te rānei I mauake ai rātou, ia Hinerangi Goodman.
He tangi aroha mō ngā whānau maha I mahue atu ki roto o ngā tīhaehaetanga āru au moko.
One of our catchphrases was, we're going to collect starfish today. Yeah, we're going to fill our kite up with more starfish today. And we got a lot of starfish.
We're talking about going into one house and finding a lady with a fractured ankle. We've been there since it occurred during the earthquake. So a lot of pain down there.
Te āhuatanga o ngā whare ki Aranui, te kore hiko, kore wai, kore wharepaku.
O te tokomaha o te tīmanehi nei, he kitenga tauhou e kore e wareware hia.
We have come across a number of people down in the poorer areas who had been injured since the earthquake and were stuck in their houses, and it was just a wonderful experience. But our nurses that came with us, their practice was excellent.
Part of the framework, we were iwi, supporting iwi. We had to create a lot of those networks, but we had a fantastic team.
To see those communities that felt like they weren't being serviced by the other people of Christchurch, even though everybody was spread pretty thin, to be able to turn up and support their needs was pretty fulfilling, something I'll never forget.
He kuanga nākau mō te mokopuna nei, kua hoki mai tana kroua, ara ki te wā kāinga.
As we left Christchurch, we were told that John Keys is making his way to the areas that's most effective to our Māori people. We said to them, we just laughed and said, it's too late, we've already done that.
A te mane e tū mai nei, ka hoki anō ai he tīma tuarua ki o tautahi. Ko Hinerangi Goodman, mō te karere.